Okay, so here at Wealthy Affiliate, okay, when I sign in, wait, I'm just gonna sign in real quick. Okay, so here's my profile right here, Denur25. You have your dashboard, you have your training. For instance, you have your online entrepreneur certification, your affiliate bootcamp, my training activity, training high quality, like high quality training, and classrooms. These two is extra content from the top ranked people inside of this community and they just help you become successful. Online Entrepreneur Certification is basically a series of courses walking you through the process of creating and growing a business within absolutely any niche that you want. So, you're getting started, level 2, building your own traffic producing website, making money, mastering social engagement, achieving maximum, and I mean maximum success through content creation. And Affiliate Bootcamp, this is what I'm on right now. You get 7 courses and 70 lessons. And Online Entrepreneur Certification, you get 5 courses and 50 lessons. And basically, the Affiliate Bootcamp is a series of courses walking you through the process of creating and establishing a business in a niche related to the promotion of Wealthy Affiliate. And these two are just basically blogs from the top ranked people in the community to help you out whenever you need it. And the classrooms is going to be basically like the same thing. Blogs from top people to help you out. Now, your websites, you get 2 websites when you are a starter member, and you get 25 website domain names when you are a premium member. So mine is mainstreamcash.siterubix.com, and you can upgrade if you want to, but you don't have to right away. Now, you got live events, you got research, you got affiliate programs that you can search. Like for here, you can search inside of it. You can search for any affiliate program that you want. Live events, you can have your own live events and watch live events or listen to live events, schedule live events. Your research is site rank, my keyword list, search analysis, alphabet soup, brainstorm high quality affiliate programs, and niche keyword lists, which is really important. Jaxi dashboard is typing in keywords. And you got your live chat, which you can chat to anyone and you can contact the co-founders, Kyle. And then one-on-one, once you are a premium member. I just upgraded to premium member 3 days ago, which is absolutely effective because it unlocks everything, like the training. It unlocks the training, the websites. It just unlocks me being able to get a hold of the co-founder, and it's just very, very, very efficient. And the Help Center, I can get a hold of the premium coaches without any problems. And when you're a starter member, you don't have as much value. You don't have as much value in site support, live chat, and private messaging, and asking a question type of thing. You have to go and talk to other people who aren't the coaches, or you just have to wait 24 plus hours to get a response from these guys. More so like 72 hours or maybe even more, or never. So the premium membership is, of course, what you want because then you can contact them whenever you need help. The premium coaches, Carson is a guy who created this company with Kyle. They're both co-founders. They split the company, and Rup Kitu got added on to the team. So other than that, that's what that is for now. You can do blogs at Wealthy Affiliate. You can build a website. You can find a domain. You can create training. And you can write an article. Right here, you can also cash out your credits and your affiliate credits. So if you own your own business, you cash out your own credits. If you're working with Wealthy Affiliate for the affiliate program, then here are your other credits to cash out. And I just started this, so I'm working on it right now. And program details. This is basically when you get 300 premium referrals in 2020 and to earn an invitation to hang out with Kyle, Carson, and others on this all paid private conference, then you get to go to Las Vegas Super Affiliate Conference. So basically, it's pretty simple. You know, these are the people who made it last year. And here's Carson and here's Kyle, the two co-founders. And these are the people that made it. And you get to read the rest to understand what's going on here and what's and what you can see and what's going on here. So now as we move on to my stats, so this is where you're gonna be showing how much you have earned. And like I said, I just started this, so I'm going through the process right now and going through the training sessions right now and implementing it right now. So in a month from now, then I'll start seeing more results. But then, you know, you put your PayPal email in here, and then you put minimum payout threshold. These are your payment settings. You got your referrals in here. I didn't get paid for this, but if I would have been at the premium membership, I would have got paid for my referrals. So I suggest that you get up to premium membership so that you can get paid $1 for each referral that you have. And messages, my messages campaign, you know, you can add your campaign, and these are custom message campaigns which give you an opportunity to connect with your referred members at the most personal level through automated messages on their profile or private inbox. You may create a one-to-many message campaigns for specific audiences and fine-tune the experience that your referrals have in terms of messaging from you. You know, you got your training, you got your tracking. So your tracking, these are all of your affiliate links. So when you post the right ones, then you make money from them, and to people who convert over to your affiliate links. And there's a specific way to do this, and we teach you through the training. And then you got your banners, which are pretty cool. You get to just, you know, this shows what's great about the starters and what's not great about it, and how premium is so much better than it, basically. So yeah, you just get 2 times the commission when you're with premium, and it's just much more efficient. And you know, here are the banners. Wealthy affiliate, get started here. You got free starter membership, sign up now. I earn, network, build, succeed. Free starter membership, wealthy affiliate, you know, all of that type of stuff. Become a super wealthy affiliate. Learn how to build a successful online business. We can teach anyone how to build a successful online business. Wealthy Affiliate University. Making money online isn't magic. Learn the skills. You know, just true stuff. You know, learn to build a highly successful internet business. Wealthy Affiliate University. And, you know, it just goes on and on. Would you like to earn while sitting on your couch with your laptop? Or you can be in your office or whatever. Want some super affiliate power? Click here. You know, it's just some really, really, really cool stuff. Stop struggling to make money online and get trained with Wealthy Affiliate University. Making too much money? Wealthy Affiliate University is where you make more. Uncover the secrets to making money online. Stop struggling to make money and get the help you need. Wealthy Affiliate, click here for details. Wealthy Affiliate Internet Marketing University. The secret to making money online has been exposed. Top secret. Those are the cool banners that are allowed for you to use on your website and wherever you would like to use them. And that is it. That is absolutely it. You know, that's absolutely it. You got your tasks here. If you need to reply to anyone, it will show you. It will show you. So here's just a little example of my website. So when I log into my website, I'm going to just log in real quick. And I'm going to fix the theme and everything, but I'm just starting out, and this is what it looks like for right now. Mainstream Cash, Privacy Policy, Meet the Matthew Denur, Why You Should Join Wealthy Affiliate, Wealthy Affiliate Official Review, Meet the Matthew Denur, you know. So basically like this article right here, like why you should join Wealthy Affiliate. What exactly is Wealthy Affiliate? It is a combination of software, website hosting, and training. All-inclusive package. Wealthy Affiliate is here as a one-stop shop destination for business owners, affiliates, beginners, intermediates, and experts to grow their business or to start a business. It is also a dominating force of software for affiliate marketers, business owners, and whoever. Who's Matthew Denur? You know, just explaining who I am as a person, and you know, just getting my call to actions here, and then I just show Kyle and success stories like this with Wendy's success story. That's just an example of one of my articles. But other than that, guys, Wealthy Affiliate is 100% real. You can make, when you follow through on the online entrepreneur certification and the affiliate bootcamp, then there's no reason why you aren't going to make progress and have success, and just keep on repeating what they're saying, and keep on going back to learn over and over again, and retweaking what you did to be able to get better results, and to also be creative and think out of the box with what you do as well. Thank you so much for listening to me right now, and just taking time to look at this review in this tutorial. Matthew Denur is out. Peace out. I will see you later because I love you. Bye bye.